Hi everyone, welcome to the July 2022 Grow Omaha construction update. Tonight we're going to hop in the old 67 Beetle here and head west and check out a little road construction. I'm getting ready to show you the new stretch of 168th Street from Pacific to Center, but I'm going to pause the video right here at the beginning to vent just a little bit. While I try to keep these videos very positive, and for the most part Grow Omaha tries to keep everything very positive, it's a little bit frustrating when the city closes a road for nearly 2 years and repaves almost a mile of road and leaves the last 100 feet full of potholes. It just seems like now would have been the time to take care of those and have a perfect road all the way from Center to Pacific. As you can see, 168th Street has been widened to 4 lanes and includes various turn lanes. Also, construction of retaining walls, sound walls, and other amenities along the stretch have really improved this section of road. It appears all that's left is some finished grading between the islands and the sidewalks, and then seating and matting. Up next is the new REI store located at Nebraska Crossing. This 22,000 square foot store should be open this fall. REI is the largest consumer co-op in the country, and even though there is not a single store in Nebraska, REI already has 21,000 members in the state of Nebraska, including 14,000 in the metro area. REI plans to hire about 50 people for this new store in Gretna. Steel continues to go up on the new addition at the Jocelyn Art Museum. The walls are going up for the next building at the I-80 Logistics Hub. This development is located near 132nd and Cornhusker Road in Papillion. This development is currently home to Scooters, Amazon, and Home Depot warehouses. This new 2-story building going up at 39th and Farnham will have room for 4 tenants. The building is designed for restaurants and bars and will have room for patios on the upper level. This new 4-story apartment building is currently being constructed at 33rd and Jones Street. When complete, the building will feature 55 apartment units. Omaha's first floor and decor store continues to take shape right off Rose Blumpkin Drive near 77th and Dodge Street. The Clove Apartments near 80th and Dodge will feature 175 apartment units on 4 floors located above a first floor garage, which will contain 186 parking stalls. What you see here is actually the back of the building, and the main entrance will be on the south side on Farnham Street. This project will be zoned TOD for transit-oriented development. An update on Regency Landing, located near I-680 and Pacific Street. Twisted Cork and Subway have reopened, and signs have started going up for the new restaurants that are set to open later this year. On the south side of the building where the gas station was once located, you should soon start to see a Scooter's coffee kiosk rise. At the beginning of July, I was lucky enough to be hired to be one of the photographers for the grand opening of the Leahy Mall. I was working for the riverfront, which was part of Mecca, and here are some of my favorite images from the first 4 days that the Leahy Mall was open. I hope you enjoyed this month's Grow Omaha construction update. If you have any suggestions for future episodes, please send an email to news@growomaha.com. We'll see you again next month.
If you like this video, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And remember, Grow Omaha is not just media. This is a mission. We are trying to build up Omaha and make it an even better place. We can only do that with your help. Share this video with your friends, neighbors, and family.